Easy steps on how to create and load a Riversweeps player account. Step 1. Log in. Write the username and password provided for you. Step 2. Create account. You must have credits to create Riversweeps player accounts. Add in the amount the player chooses to deposit. Purchase amount can be 0. Create a username and then click Create Account. Step 3. Account number. The account number will serve as the player's login info. No account number is the same as another. Recharge account. To recharge, click Purchase and enter the amount of their deposit. Bounce back gives additional bonus to the player. Redeem account. Redeemable balance is on the right side of To redeem, click Redeem and enter the amount. Reverse account. If you incorrectly added a balance, you can click Reverse to reverse the transaction. Hit subscribe and don't forget to share this video.